Experiencing CeraVe's latest trio, honest review. Hello lovers of the skin. Today, I'm immersed in the world of CeraVe's latest releases, foam cleanser, lightweight moisturizing gel and hybrid sunscreen. No frills, no fluff, just my honest opinion about these products that are creating a buzz. Let's be real about what they are. CeraVe Foam Cleaner, the daily working horse. First, we have foam cleaner. I have to say, it's a breath of fresh air. With a line of ceramides, hyaluronic acid and squalane, it's like a treat for your skin. The best part? It really lives up to its promise to remove makeup and sunscreen without leaving your face tight or undressed. I won't lie, you're very good at your job. Light moisturizing gel, minimalist hydration. Now for light moisturizing gel. If you are a fan of light moisturizing, you may want to pay attention. This thing is light as a feather and sinks like a dream. It has the duo of ceramides and hyaluronic acid that we all love, along with niacinamide for a little more vigor. For me, it has become my day moisturizer, simple, effective and hassle-free. Hybrid sunscreen, the warrior of the sun. Last but not least, the hybrid sunscreen. I'll be honest, I was intrigued by the whole hybrid thing. It has zinc oxide for this mineral goodness and some organic sunscreen elements as well. Niacinamide in sunscreen? That's a win. It gives us that moist finish, which I know isn't everyone's candy, but it does the job. And it's water resistant, perfect for my beach days. Let's keep it real, these products are not magic potions, but they are solid artists. Foam cleanser makes my nights easier, light moisturizing gel keeps me hydrated without feeling heavy, and hybrid sunscreen adds an extra layer of sun protection. If you're looking for simple, meaningless skincare that does the job, give them a chance. There it is, my unfiltered thoughts on CeraVe's latest creations. No need for bells and whistles, they are just good products that do what is supposed to. Give them a spin and see how they fit into your routine. Happy skincare experimenting, guys.